Tukot ko.
Tao lang.
Sa gabi.
Parang ano, parang rini-remind nyo ulit
Ang
ako.
sa labas. Divine. Bawal yan. Ay, sorry.
It's scary. Tukot to be nominated. Grabe.
Ay, naputol yung bracelet mo.
Bakit?
Or kay Pam.
Wala eh. Naisip ko din Paris later.
Oh, that's promise.
Pagdating din ng huli. Tayo din.
Siyempre, pero tapusin mo. Parang
Oo naman, tapusin mo.
gawin mo yung lahat na kaya mo.
Kaya mo, pakita mo kung ano mga kakayahan mo.
Huwag yung parang sumasabay ka na lang, nagbibilang ka na lang ng araw.
And
Pero
you
ano,
made it this far na. Why not try till the end?
Oo.
And we all have our own reasons for being here.
Ibig sabihin, may live ngayon. Di tayo lang pinakita sa atin.
Pwede.
Baka pag galit si Kuya, gusto mo lumabas ka na.
Oo.
Paglabas mo, walang tao.
Oo.
Hindi na halata.
No, but he could be just so disappointed. But like if you don't want to be here, then don't be here.
Grabe naman. Ako,
Hindi napapansin ko, like, some of us, nagko-coast na lang. Parang counting the days till it's finished.
Oo, pwede.
Which is, nandito ka na, just finish it with a bang.
Oo.
diretso hanggang sa huli. Kung kailan man matapos eh. Hindi naisip ko kagabi. Huwag na mag-isip sa labas. Para naman sa kanila itong gagawin ko dito.
You gonna continue drawing?
Para tuloy ang...
Nahanap mo yun sa'yo.
She was so nervous. She was getting red. She kept drawing till it was her turn.
Pinapawisan siya.
Oo.
Si Tintin, pinawisan nagsasalita. Anong gagawin mo niyan?
gusto ko lang tignan yung bahay ko.
Ako rin, actually. Yun yung kung bakit I spent so much time on the drawing of my
The
house.
last one.
Because parang I missed it. And, our furniture is maintenance. I even do it.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ang bahay ko.
But I don't think you would have any idea. Di ba hindi ka naman nag-aano sa furniture mo?
I know a lot of it.
Ito.
I know a lot of it, Slaughter. It's kasi sa bahay ko, all of our furniture is maintenance man. And I noticed in the movies, like Rock and Roller.
Oh? Ito. Itong dalawang chandelier we bought at sa Meps. Like, this is like, chandelier siya na parang cage lang. Tapos
It's so stainless.
No, it's cast iron.
The old school one.
Old school.
There's a new one, I think. All stainless.
I think we have, sa sister ko yung sofa nila maintenance niya. And we have a table that's maintenance niya.
Yung doggy.
Ngayon ko lang naalala.
In Rock and Roller, you know the gangster British guy, the old guy's office with a cigar. Rock and Roller, you haven't seen Rock and Roller?
Ano yan?
It's a freaking awesome movie.
I don't know. Tingnan mo, hanggang Kevin ginaya niya sa... Ay, wala pala akong tree.
I wanna ask if Carla knows it.
Rock and Roller.
It's such a good movie. Carlo?
Walang tree yung PBB ko. Dapat may tree.
Ako may tree. Konood mo?
No one knows the rock and roller?
Anong ginawa ni Jessica? Jessica, ano ka ba naman?
Kasi ang bahay ko.
Not old. So good. Gerald Butler's in it.
Talaga?
The colored guy from
Colored.
from something. There's so many people in it. So good.
Feeling ko may bago na sa bahay ko.
Right there. Are we allowed to do that? Kasi, gusto ko.
Hinawakan kong smiley face. Ang bibig niya.
Fancy shoes. Hey baby, think I wanna marry you.
Dito yung room ng parents ko. Dito yung games. Oh, nakakamiss. Ba't ganyan?
Okay lang yung Tintin.
Wala lang, nakakamiss na.
Nakamiss, no? Ang daming nakakamiss dito. It's okay, it's alright. Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey.
Pwede naman siguro, no?
Ano?
Gusto ko yung pool ko.
Yung basketball niyo na pool?
Ganito yun eh.
Nagsiswimming pa kayo dun?
Oo.
Paano?
Pinapaswimming ko yung mga aso ko.
Ano ba ito?
Paano?
Ito mag-inis.
Lalo na naman di gamit niya si kuya hanggang bukas.
Hindi. Mamaya may gagawin tayo. Sure.
Kuya, hiya na ba yan kay kuya? Grabe.
Have somebody sexy, tell them hey, hey. And I love you tonight. Everything tonight. You know, I might not get tomorrow. So do it tonight. Do, 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 do.
Kalimutan ko yung mag-chase doon
Lagyan ko rin ng medal. May medal naman din ako.
Saan?
Ay, trophy. Trophy din. Akala mo, ikaw lang may trophy, ha?
Ganyan yung pool. Pool namin.
Ako, I kept it like summarized lang talaga.
Hihi. Fifi, bumalik ka na. Bumalik ka na.
Karen.